Hello guys, in this video I will talk about bugs that was found by CTRT. A new jailbreak for firmware 8.xx will most likely be released in December or January. On August 19, 2021, Sony's Bounty confirmed receipt of a first deposit from developer CTRT. He then received his first Bounty Hunter badge. Sony does not reveal the evolution of the bug, and for good reason. Most of the time, the people who propose their discovery must remain silent for 6 months. It is necessary to go through obtaining badges to follow the evolution. On September 10, 2021, CTRT received the Swagger badge confirming that his bug was retained, and yesterday, September 20, 2021 he just received the Insecticide badge, which means that his bug has indeed been retained, and that the revealed bug has been corrected. To put it simply, Sony has probably fixed the bug revealed by CTRT in firmware 9.00. By the way, the 9.00 firmware uploaded 0. Back to CTRT. This means that Sony will indeed pay him the sum of $10,000. The bounty reconfirms it, but strange thing, it seems that another bug has been reported but that it was closed. Only one of the two reported by CTRT has been validated. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.